Fire in the grate, tea in a chipped old cup. You pull that wooden chair a little closer up. Lines on your hands dance with the flames. You want a tale more cream, I'll give it a name. Tell me a story, old one, of a love that was almost won, of ships that turned from the storm, of a kiss that never came. Tell me a story, old one, till the embers all grow dim. I'll carry every word you spin, and someday I'll tell them again. You speak of a road worn by 1,000 feet, women with aching backs singing the hunger sweet, a boy with a fiddle playing his heart in two. Child, he was stubborn, much like you. Tell me a story, old one, of a love that was almost won, of ships that turned from the storm, of a kiss that never came. Tell me a story, old one, till the embers all grow dim. I'll carry every word you spin, and someday I'll tell them again. Your voice turns soft on the parts that still hurt. You laugh through the tears, brush the dust from the dirt. Every good story leaves a mark on your skin. Remember them kindly when you begin. Oh, tell me a story, old one, of a love that was almost won, of ships that turned from the storm, of a kiss that never came. Tell me a story, old one, till the night gives way to rain. I'll carry every word you spin and live them, not just say them. Fire in the grate, dying to gentle blue. I whisper the opening line and start it again for you.